Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Well, I was recording and then somehow I got an error on my recording. Well, so that's let me start back again. Okay, so we had the FOMC meeting. We had previously as minus 0.1. We were expecting 0.2. We actually had 0.5, so that's I guess is good. Fear and greed, you can see that we're at 53, 1 or 2 points higher than yesterday or 2 days ago. Don't remember when was the last time I checked. So now, Bitcoin, what is it doing for the moment? What are you doing? Okay, so we like price to go and break a downtrend, and after that retest, and after that we want him to go. So we have 2 out of 3. Let's see if we are going to the to go up part, or it's going to keep going and following the downtrend for a while, as a support and following like that. Maybe we're going to reach that 59k. Maybe then we will be able and ready to skyrocket. All right, so I'm going to do a quick overview. As you can see now, it's not looking that great because we're making a new slightly lower low we just made. Local one, well, for sure we have this one beginning of May. But honestly, we need, I mean, if Bitcoin can manage to do something. Anyway, now this is kind of almost perfect. It's touching this trend that I draw before. We have the 82 cents as a last resort for a fib retracement. And if it goes below, start to be unreliable, and I will have to rethink my count. So it's going to be less bullish, but still bullish, because we're far away from a bear count. Fetch, about the same thing. Actually, Fetch, it did bounce bend on 0.786. Avalanche, actually Avalanche is the first time I see it since the beginning of May below $32. As you can see, I have some alarms here, and this is start to be let's see how low can it go. If it's going to make a new local low of beginning of May and even mid-April, then yeah, I'm looking forward for that 27.5 levels. Link also, it's kind of try to hold this level here at it doesn't want to go below $13. Let's see if he can succeed. Worst case scenario, once again, 12.81. I think it's a nice entry point. I think for sure this is not financial advice. Are we finally it's doing something? I honestly would like to go at a little bit, let's say $35. I would be a buyer for that. As you can see, I do have an alarm. Render. Okay, so render, I did tell you anywhere below 10, I consider it's a nice buy. And as you can see, I have an alarm here. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'm going to higher it to this level here. Reason is we have a little bit of resistance at this level. So 9.55. I think I'm might be a buyer. I mean, I'm a buyer, but I depend on Bitcoin situation chart, and if I like how it's going, because this could be once again this is the A, this is the B, and then we're going to do the C. Let's see if it that work out. I didn't do it yet, I believe. So let's see here. So if this is the A and this was somehow a B, now I go for the C. So as you can see, we already reached the 1.1-to-1 ratio, I mean, and I'll add 0.382 level. I'm undecided. Maybe I should put the 1.282, but yeah, no, but honestly, because I believe maybe it's really bent down at that level now, but I think usually I'll stick with that. Anyway, if we actually continue to go lower, I wouldn't be surprised. First of all, maybe react to the 1.382 and finally maybe go back to the 1.618, which is coincidentally the 0.382 fib retracement for this fourth wave, ideally. And because here it would be a higher B wave, then this is why we wouldn't be able to reach lower level here. So that's one theory. Let's see if it work out. Also, Phantom did tell you, this level here, it would have been a nice entry level, but then I did tell you, if it goes below this level, maybe you wanna be cautious. You leave a little bit of a gap here to protect from volatility of the market. But if we're losing this level consistently, then yeah, we're going to go and revisit the 61s. And if we lose that, well, first of all, yeah, pretty much here 55, right? And all this is because Bitcoin is having a moment. And even if 2-3 weeks ago Bitcoin went down and altcoins pretty much resisted, and then it did react very well, but now it's a little bit hard for the altcoins. Also, Illivium, I did got some Illivium, and I thought I did a good move when I got them here, this level. Was it? No, I think I got them here. Yeah, in April. I got them here, and I thought, it was a good deal. But now, as you can see, we're still going back. So up to 65.5, it's still okay. Below that, then we start to be a little bit in trouble. Rune. I don't want to do all the coins. Rune is not bad, right? Because it's still holding this short-term uptrend. So let's see if we can continue with that near the MA 200. And yeah, we shall see. Alright, so I don't want to make a long video today because I already did one or two. And long video are boring also. Nothing really changed. Market a little bit down. Nothing drastic. And so don't panic. I don't find it's yet a crazy time to buy, like go all in. Maybe DCA, dollar cost average position that you really believe into, that you find they're holding well, or wait, because you never know, maybe Bitcoin is not done with this correction. Let me go on the 4-hour. This chart looks messy. So let's remember, it can still go a little bit lower, right? Easily 52,000, where it's the 6.18. We have DMA 200, so 52k, it's still okay. Actually, that would be the ideal retracement, but honestly, yeah, Bitcoin, it's really rare it does ideal retracement. It doesn't give us that chance. So yeah, so just listen to the words I'm using. Doesn't give us that chance. Okay, so I'm not freaking out at all. And if we go there, well, that's going to be a bloodbath for the alts, because we're talking about another 16% correction. So we're talking about, I don't know, 25-30% discount on altcoins. So be careful out there. Don't spend all your paycheck money. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.